Hello everyone, my name is Kirti. Today's session is regarding how to graph inequalities in one or two variables. In this lesson, we will talk about graphing inequalities in XY coordinate system. Let's start with example x is greater than 3. This is an inequality where x is greater than 3. So x is basically vertical line parallel to y-axis. What is 3? This is the distance of point from y-axis. So distance from y, 3 point will be here. X is basically vertical line. So it will be, we have to draw a line from going from this point. Now, why it is dashed line? Because here all values which is greater than 3. Here no equal to sign. That means this line, this point is not included in range for answers. So that's why this line is dash line. If here equal to sign also, then line gonna be solid line. Because this is inequality, so we will get set of solution. Answer will be in range. Now in graph, we will shade that range. Greater than 3, that means all values which are in right side, that is greater. We will shade that region. In graphing, we shade the region which is here greater than 3. See next question. Go ahead and solve this inequality. Here x is less than or equal to -2. First we are doing graphing for one variables. Here only x is the variable. Now x is less than or equal to -2. So here this is also x is basically vertical line parallel to y-axis, and this is the distance from y-axis. So where is the point from y-axis? We will see this is -2. Now the line gonna be solid line. Now we have to shade the region. All values which is less than -2, that means this side, we will shade this region. So this is the answer. Y is less than -4, y is greater than or equal to 2. First question is this, y is less than -4. So y is basically horizontal line parallel to x-axis. This is the distance from x-axis. Now -4. So -4 is, because this is horizontal line, so point will be on y-axis. This, it's gonna be dash line parallel to x-axis horizontal line, like this. The range which we have to shade is less than -4. So we have to shade the region which is less than -4. So -5, -6 are the lesser value than -4. When we go this side, these are the higher values. So we have to shade the region which is less than -4. Like this. Next question, y is greater than or equal to 2. Here also this is y. So this is horizontal line parallel to x-axis, and 2 is the distance from x-axis. So this is 2 here, +2. Now line gonna be solid line. Because here 2 is also one of the solution. Values which is greater than 2, so we will shade the region which is values greater than 2. So these are the examples for the graph inequalities for one variable. Now let's see the question or inequalities for two variables. Let's solve equalities with two variables. Here we have two variables x and y. This is having two variables, so now this is in form of y is equal to mx plus c. This is in form of slope and intercept form, where c is intercept and y is the slope of the line. If you compare this with this, then value of c is minus 2. So intercept on y-axis is equal to minus 2, and value of m is 1. Here is nothing, that means 1 by 1. 1 by 1. Gradient is always in fraction. This is rise over run. This is the value of rise and this is the value of run. Let's see how to graph an inequality which is in gradient and intercept form. So first we will find the value of intercept, that is minus 2, and the value of gradient. Let's put the value of intercept on the xy coordinate system. C is minus 2. This is here. Because intercept is always on y-axis. So C is minus 2 is here. This is the intercept. Now value of m, value of gradient is positive value. That means our slope will be, slope of the line will be like this. Line will be, it starts from downward left side to upward right side. So when we will draw line, the line should be in this form. Let's draw point on this xy coordinate. So what is the step for drawing, for putting the coordinates? We will see what is the rise and what is the run. Here rise is 1. So rise is 1, that means 1 unit. Run is in right side because this is positive slope in this direction. So we will see in right side. So point is here. We will start from the intercept. See what is the value of rise. So rise is 1 unit. Go ahead 1 unit. Then in right side run. Run is x-axis, parallel to x-axis. So now run is on the right side 1 unit. So first point is this. Second point, again from run, this point, go 1 unit upward, that is rise. Then run is 1 unit right side on x-axis. Again we will see, so this is the point. From this point, rise is 1, run is 1. Again rise 1, run will be here. So now we have points to draw line. So this is the line. Slope having positive slope. Slope is 1 over 1 and intercept on y-axis is minus 2. This is inequality. We have to shade the region. Value is greater than, y is greater than. So all region which is having greater values. So we will shade this region. Because values upward side are greater from this line and downward side is lowest values. So higher values, because this is greater than. We will shade the region which has greater values. Let's solve another question. Y is less than or equal to 2x minus 3. C is minus 3. Intercept is minus 3. Now M is 2 over 1. Intercept is -3. So point is here. Here also it is positive slope. So direction of line will be like this. What is the gradient? Rise is 2 and run is 1 unit. So rise 2 unit, 1 and 2, 2 unit rise. Run is 1 unit, like this. Again rise from this point, 2 unit, 1, 2, and run will be in x-axis, right side, horizontal line. Next point is like this. Again, put more few points. Rise is 2 on x-axis. Run is 1 on, like this. So now this is the line. Join this line. So this is the line with slope 2 by 1 and the intercept on y-axis is -3. So this is the question with two variables. Let's solve some more critical questions. Here we have to shade the region also. I forgot to tell, we have to shade this region. What region we have to shade? Y is less than and equal to, less than and equal to. So the region which is lesser values, smaller values. So we will shade this region like this. Now we have simultaneous linear inequalities. 2x plus 3y is greater than 6. 3x minus 4y less than and equal to 12. Let's change it into y is equal to mx plus c, slope and intercept form. So how to change it? This is 3y. What we can do? Subtract 2x both sides. It is cancelled. So 3y is greater than minus 2x plus 6. Divide both sides by 3. This 3 cancel. Y is greater than minus 2 by 3 x plus 2. So what is the form of equation? Y is greater than minus 2 by 3 x plus 2. So right here, value of C is equal to 2 and gradient is minus 2 by 3. Gradient is m equals to minus 2 by 3 and C is 2. I have to erase this. That's why I wrote here value of intercept and gradient. Next, solve this inequality. What we can do? Subtract 3x both sides. This 3x and negative 3x cancel. Minus 4y is less than and equal to 12 minus 3x. Write this in this form. Before that, let's divide this by negative 4. Negative 4, negative 4. So be careful when we will divide, this sign will be reverse sign. So this cancel out. Y is greater than and equal to. Here it was less than and equal to. So now here greater than and equal to minus 3. And it is minus minus cancel. So it will be 3 by 4x minus 3. So here value of intercept is minus 3 and value of gradient is 3 by 4. I change this into proper gradient and intercept form inequality. Okay, so now represent this in XY coordinate. First is in this intercept is 2, positive 2. So intercept on y-axis is this. Value of gradient is -2/3. That is negative gradient. So negative gradient will be, line will be like this. So now next, this is -2/3. So rise is -2 and run is 3. From this point, go downward 2 unit. 1, 2. 3 is the run. 1. Because the line will be like this. Be careful because it is negative. So line will be like this. So point -2. 2 is the rise. So rise 1, 2. Run 3. 1, 2, 3. Again 1, 2 rise and run will be 1, 2, 3 somewhere here. We have 3 points. From 3 points we can draw a line. Minimum 3 points are enough to draw line. 2 points are enough to draw line. The third point for confirmation that this line is going in same way or not. But 2 points are more than enough. But we always take to confirm this line is correct or not. That's why we take 3 points. So now here 3 points are enough to draw this line. Now it is showing negative gradient. The value was greater, y was greater than -2/3 plus 2. So greater than means we will shade the region which is above the line. We will shade the region which was above the line. Next, value of C is -3. Value of C is -3. So intercept is here. And gradient is 3/4. Positive slope. So line direction will be in this form. Gradient 3, 1, 2, 3. Rise. Run is 1, 2, 3, 4. Somewhere here. This point. Again gradient 3, 1, 2, 3. No, not this is the point. This is on y-axis. 4 other side. So take 1, 2, 3, 4. It will be here. So line will be some actually here board is small. So now distance is very less. So it will be somewhere here and line will go like that. So this is negative. Now the region what we have to shade, that is greater than, what was the question I erased? Yes, greater than and equal to -3. So greater value is, this is the line. So we will shade the region which is above the line. We will shade this region. Now this is simultaneous. So we will see which is the common region. So this part is common. So we will shade ultimately only this part. This is the answer. Common part is the answer. This line is like this, having negative slope. Sorry, this line is having positive slope and first one was having negative slope. And the region which is greater than here also, for first line greater values, that's why we shaded the above region. For second one also greater, so we shaded the region which was above the line. This is simultaneous, so we will compare which is um, overlapping area. We will see the overlapping area. So this is the common solution area. So this range we will shade. This will be the answer. Common shaded region will be the answer. Let's see here. Three inequalities are here. We have to find common range. And please be careful. When there is not equal to sign, we have to use dashed line. I think in previous question I used solid line, but please remember when we have to draw an inequality with equal to sign, that time line will be solid line. Otherwise, if there is no equal to sign, the line will be dash line. The line will be dash line if there is no equal to sign. See this question. First is x is greater than 1. So x is greater than 1 means this is basically vertical line parallel to y-axis, and this one is the distance from y-axis. So first is line not equal to sign, so we will draw dash line. Don't make solid line. It will be dash line. X is greater than 1, so all values which are greater than 1. We have to shade this region. Next is y is less than and equal to 6. Y is basically horizontal line parallel to x-axis. 6 is the distance from x-axis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the line will be solid line. Area which is less than 6. So we have to shade the all area which is less than 6. Third one. This is having two variables. This is intercept and slope form, where slope is m is 3 by 2 and intercept is -3. So -3 intercept, that means the point will be 1, 2, 3, -3 here. This is the intercept for third inequality. And what is the gradient? 3 and 2. Positive slope, so line will be in this direction. 3, 1, 2, 3, rise. Run is 1, 2. This point. Again rise 3, 1, 2, 3 here, and run is 2, 1, 2. This point. So now we have 3 points. We can join this. Like this. Now the shaded region will be y is greater than this 3 by 2x minus 3. So all region which is above the line. Let's use black color. This region. Now see which has all three colors. In this region, 2 colors. So this is not the answer. Here also 2 colors. This is not the answer. Only after dash line, this region having all 3 colors. That means this is the answer. This range is satisfying all these 3 inequalities. So this is enough. Now I will give you some more questions. You have to solve those questions yourself. If you have any problem, you can ask through IMSIS. Thank you.